Restore the sound quality of your audio system. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory speaker. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GM OE. Manufactured to GM OE specification for fit, form and function. Music will sound its best with AC/Delco GM original equipment car speakers, and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. Speakers turn electrical energy into mechanical energy to move air, using a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. The electromagnet is energized when the radio or amplifier, if equipped, delivers current to the voice coil on the speaker. The voice coil will form a north and south pole that will cause the voice coil and the speaker cone to move in relation to the permanent magnet. The current delivered to the car speaker is rapidly changing alternating current, AC. This causes the speaker cone to move in two directions, producing sound. These original equipment car speakers have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommend this seller and product. Purchased OEM stock speakers for 2007 Silverado Extended Cab. Perfect fit and performance for GM factory replacement.